There you go.
Okay. Now that should give us a better vision on how to install this belt. Yeah, because for anyone removing this belt for the very first time, most of the time they don't actually see how it works. So, okay. Place it behind on top of the rollers. There you go. Okay, now you have to only feel this, and you can see. You just pass it from under the roller, push the roller towards the motor shaft, and hook it on there. And there it is. That's how the installation of the belt is done. So
The house did before or not? The house did before or not?
well,
Just take it apart.
at least they know already how it's done, so do it again. You could just